Oh shit! Quid if you lick it. Tony, quid here up for grabs. Here's good. Right, so a bit of backstory. I had this warning light the other day that said I were 170 miles overdue a service. Bullshit, I just took it for a service. All brake pads all the way around, right? And now I get this. So I calls up my good mate Anthony, right? He's got the MOT centre, he has. So I brought it up, we plugged it in, and it was reading that the rear pads was 0%, which I know is bullshit because I've just changed them. So we thought it would be the sensor, so he's ordered me a new sensor and we're going to throw it on today. So what's the plan?
Get it up, and then we're going to whip that back wheel off, get the sensor off, new sensor on, clear the cords, should be on.
Sick. What are they bloody routing around in there for thee? Haha.
Bloody in gear as well, isn't it?
No, it won't be. Never leave it in gear. Is it in gear?
Bloody gear.
Left it in gear. It sounds like these. I like to let the professionals do the work, you know. That is a sign of a man that knows what he's doing.
Pretends to know what he's doing and makes it look good. It's a trick.
Up she goes. Let's get in here. Right. That bloody wire. This fucker. We reckon something's wrong with that. I hope something's wrong with that because it's only about £6. Right, so we're hoping that this is the offending culprit. But there, it does not look like it's come out of the pad. Does it look like there's anything wrong with that?
You see there,
Right.
that there should be a little knobble on, and that whirs through there. And here we have. You see on the new one?
Oh, yeah, it's raised up, innit?
Basically, very simple. Wires in, brake pad wears, cuts the work connection, goes open circuit, light comes on dash.
Just learning things, just learning stuff, you know. Does all that have to come off?
Just we might. I don't know. We're lucky.
We alright?
Aye.
Oh, chuffer.
Some of the ends run up on the back of here, but there's a bit of a setup, so we're just on this in a wing here. You can just see.
Aye, I can see it. Aye.
Plugs here. You one of them, one of the ABS sensor. It's a case of following wires and.
It's a.
Left hand side. It's this white one. Also, which we should have done because it's got a white plug on the other one.
Hey! Should stop going under that car with that on. Fuck that up, Anna. Shit. Don't care, I'm gonna rock it. Should be a pretty quick, easy thing then, this, eh?
It should be just a couple of clips. Quippy clips. And there.
Pop, pop. Get yourself a mechanic friend. This guy. This guy.
Everyone needs a tonic. Everyone needs a tonic.
Probably shouldn't have done that when you're operating it, should I?
Nice. Yes, please adhere to workshop regulations. Yeah. As simple as that. Just a quick clip.
Quick clip.
Quick clip. Off down. All we have here is quick clip release, push down, and pull. Easy as
Done.
that. In, clip.
She's back.
And she's back in.
Use the force, Luke.
See, I was thinking we were going to have to take this off.
Yeah, we can do, but I'm lazy.
Nice.
Shortcuts are fun. When you're a mechanic, shortcuts are your friend.
And then it's a case of getting that in that little slot, is it?
Just in back at brake pad, obviously you need to make sure you're getting that onto inside the pad. We want wear a lead. Just on there. And so it's a bit trickier with it on, but it should. And there we go. And there she is.
Easy as that. Easy as that. Right.
Well, have a look.
Get her out at bloody sky and see if it's gone. Oh yeah, we'll put wheel on first. Can't press the button. Do it. Why did it go wrong way? Ah. Just doing mechanic stuff. Right. So I'm reckoning the code's still going to be there for now. Yeah. But what we need to do is check if that sensor still says 0% on the scanner bobby over there. So we'll get the care off right now. Yeah.
Hang on, let me go. I don't want to.
See what she's saying, see if she's fixed. Slut. So you're going to plug her in.
Wow.
And see if it still says rear pad 0%, because it definitely shouldn't. They're basically brand new. And then clear the service, because it doesn't need one of them either, because it's just been done. Sorta.
We went to scanner, vehicle, mini, vehicle selection, year 15, automatic, let it do its work. There we go, 15,
Okay,
2 litre diesel.
Bloody clever bit of kit, isn't it?
Oh, I got it. He knows what he's bloody doing, and here you have all your ECUs, but we'll skip through these. And that's the one we want. And we'll check them. Check the brakes.
The truth.
And we've got the fronts 99 and the rears are reading 0.
Why the rear's still reading 0 then?
Because we need to do a bit of a resetage.
Oh.
Moment of truth. There we go.
Buzzing.
100% on the brakes.
So now
Hopefully.
clear that service, because it doesn't need one, and then problem solved.
That's the one.
Easy as that. See, someone would have saw that on the car, took it straight to Mini. Do you know if they didn't know anything? Took it straight to Mini, paid them hundreds of pounds. Told you, you need a mechanic friend.
Just get a friend.
Now, has it gone? It's gone!
17,000?
Yay! Man, you good, mate. I mean, actually no, because you went wrong in first place. So because that did not take as long as we thought it were going to, we're going to go out, he's going to jump in his car, I'm going to jump in my big red Mummobile. I'm going to go and find a nice location, because the weather is beautiful today. So we're going to go and find a cheeky little location and do a little photo shoot. Because why not? Something to do in it. I'll see you when we get to the shoot. So we've just got to a location to do some pictures, like. Been on one of them. This is Tony's Insignia. This is what we did over there to it, you see. Well, we sprayed his wheels nice satin black, and then we did his calipers blue. Sexy. Did this as well. All this wrapping. It was good. It's good. We picked up Mark. He's going to take some pictures and stuff. Tony's getting a camera, it's on its way, innit, Tony?
Oh,
yeah? Bloody cameras everywhere, isn't there?
I believe paparazzi, innit? Paparazzi going around.
Paparazzi going around, aye.
Bloody clickers.
Bloody,
like.
everyone's going, who are these bloody clowns with bloody cameras? Look at this bloody sun, it looks bloody gorgeous. Bloody gorgeous. Oh, it might be too hot.
It might be.
Whoa!
On the game. Just coming. Oh, he's still going.
Oh man.
Fucking dust.
We're getting some good picatons.
See, no, like on yours you get up blur, I don't get any blur it back.
You should. What's your F number on? It needs to be low.
It's on chuffing 20.
What's it doing on bloody 20 then? That's why you're not getting no blur.
If I put it low, it goes white as fuck.
What's your ISO on? Why is your ISO on at 800 bro? Sunny as shit.
Yes, lad!
He loves it. He bloody loves it.
Actually, don't look Chinese for once on a picture.
I want to move, but I don't because this sun is well good.
I'm just waiting for the last car to just leave and then the gates to go.
Yeah, and we get stuck in.
And we get stuck.
But yeah, it looks really good, this Tony. I think we did a bloody good job, you know.
I think minus the curbing and the shit wrapping that I did afterwards. But all we know.
So what's next? Massive wing. DTM car, get some arches like this, yeah.
From like here upwards.
I can't wait to get rid of that car, me. It sounds harsh, doesn't it? But I want something obnoxiously loud. I want to wake people up when they don't want to be awake.
I want to make a room shake.
Yeah.
So there.
Leg dab. Hashtag leg dab.
Have you ever seen Dukes of Hazzard, bro? How we're in it? Damn it, Bo! Damn Duke, boy!
Just a good old boy,
How did you do it so easily?
never meaning no harm.
Big windows in it.
I mocked it with my bum. I know. Right, should we, I don't want to leave, because it's well nice. Saddle.
What's that?
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, Right, should we get some rollers of you? In that, of you, in that, and you can take them. You're getting in either,
Right.
taking pictures of either. Ignore this nappy I'm sat on, by the way. Don't worry about that.
It's just a piss mark.
Hey, you shut your whore mouth! Location numero dos. The sky looks mental. Just go over here. Get over here, get over here, get over here, get over here. Probably got a lot of wind noise then. Over there. Pretty sexual. You think we park like that for pictures, but that's just actually how we park because we're massive knobheads. Psych! So yeah, another location, more pickies.
More lunges.
More lunges.
New dab.
Right, go on, Mark, do your thing, man. You do your thing. Ball sack!
Chuffing it, kick.
Better pick that tripod off. Up.
Oh no, my mate say no. Said he's gonna bring it for me.
Where, here?
Yeah, in this spot here.
Oh, he's coming.
In Bury, yeah, chuffing it.
Are you lying?
No, yeah.
You bastard. See, I thought mine were in my car, but it's not. Oh, sure. Tripodless. Where's he? He's better getting pictures of bloody cars. What's he doing?
Very wild under here. Yeah, there's a good amount of water in there.
Look at this guy over here. Look at him. He just takes shits wherever he wants.
You know what made me really happy? Driving past 3 insignias that had no badge on the front. Your shit, your stuff. Man on. Yeah.
Look at this sky though. Right, Kate, you getting some of that good shot or what? Go on, lad. I'll give you a quid if you jump.
How hard?
Good fucking deal.
Thing is with this Mini, yeah, I do love it, but it just is, it's just, I want something Japanese and stupid, and it's just not that. It's quite the opposite of that. It's diesel. I don't know why I bought a diesel. I fucking hate diesels. Now I'm stuck with it. Just is a lot of car in it. Oh shit! Quid if you lick it. Tony, quid here up for grabs. Here's go. What is
Why not,
happening? That's the police coming for you, bro.
A pub.
Animal abuse.
It's like sloppy seconds, but it was more dried, so it's more like a dry, crispy second.
Right, I reckon we're calling it a day there. What do you reckon, boys?
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah. It's been a good one. It's been a good one. Got a few cool pictures. Yeah, fun little drive out, weren't it, eh? That's what, it looks really bright on the camera, but it's actually not. It's getting pretty dark now. Past my bedtime.
Street lights when I've got to go home.
And keep moving forward. So yeah, that's it from us. It's been a good one.
Fine then, jeez.
If you have enjoyed this little different kind of day trippy fucking car fixie video,
I know I have.
ooh, cheeky. Leave a like, leave a comment if you want, subscribe, why not? It's free, who cares? You know.
Do it!
Jesus, that's my cue, right? See you on next one. Sound!